Hi, Chris here with Tune a Day for Flute original series. We're going to be looking at lesson 9 today, which is a 3 exercise video. We're going to do exercise 3, 4 and 5. These are short exercises that you can repeat as many times as you need to get the sound clear and the tone bell-like. Okay, let's have a go. Exercise 3, A, G, F sharp, G, A. That's it. Okay, let's have a go. Lower octave. These are register 4 notes. That's all there is to it. Keep on doing it round and round till you get it right. Okay, exercise 4. Upper register. D, E, F sharp, E, D. Let's have a go. 2, 3, 4. That's all there is to it. Exercise 5. We're mixing it up a bit. Now this is, it's an arpeggio of D major, but it's not in the conventional form because we haven't done the low D yet. So we're going to be using the notes D, A and F sharp. We'll use A to D and then the upper F sharp and the lower F sharp. Let's have a go. Ready? 2, 3, 4. Good. Keep practicing them over and over and over again. Next video will be Our Clair de la Lune. See you next time.